Hello, welcome to Hindi Infopedi, where we explore your very own traditions through the lens of science. Today, we are going to talk about the Gotra system. Is it merely a tradition, or truly a scientific framework? The term Gotra refers to the ancestral lineage of a Vedic sage. Every Hindu is linked to the Gotra of a specific sage. In marriage, unions within the same Gotra or maternal lineage are considered prohibited. The purpose is lineage protection, to preserve genetic health across generations. Modern science tells us that marrying within close kin increases the risk of genetic disorders. Our ancient sages understood this thousands of years ago. They didn't know about DNA, but through observation and experience, they developed rules to ensure diversity in lineage, vital for healthy offspring. There are primarily 8 main Gotras: Gautam, Bhardwaj, Vishwamitra, Jamadagni, Vasishtha, Kashyap, Atri, and Agastya. Their disciples later established sub-Gotras over time. When arranging a marriage, the Gotras of the bride, groom, their mothers, and even maternal grandmothers are checked. In traditional marriages, Gotra information is openly shared. If the Gotras match, then sub-Gotras are verified. It acts as a form of genetic safeguard, very much like modern genetic screening. Ancient scriptures clearly state that marriage should happen only between those with different Gotras and bloodlines. This is not superstition, but a scientifically sound idea designed for the protection of future generations. Gotra deals with genetic balance, whereas Varna pertains to social roles based on function. There was no conflict between the two, only harmony, guided by one's deeds and qualities. Genetic research today has proven that diversity in lineage reduces the risk of hereditary diseases. This is the same principle our sages built into the Gotra system thousands of years ago. In 1835, the British education system pushed Sanskrit and Vedic knowledge into the background. Gotra was wrongly associated with caste, which caused its scientific foundation to be overlooked. But our scriptures clearly state, a person is judged not by birth, but by their qualities and actions. The Gotra system is not blind faith, it's a deeply reasoned scientific concept. Our sages developed it through experimentation and insight to ensure the well-being of both society and lineage. If you too believe that science lies within our traditions, spread this knowledge. Share this video, and tell us in the comments, what's your Gotra, and what have you heard about it? Pushpin, don't forget to like and subscribe to Hindi Infopedi for more such fascinating insights.